Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this look, this purple and pink eyeshadow look that I did. And I'm so excited to show you guys how I achieved this look. This is a quick, short eyeshadow purple tutorial. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Thanks so much for watching. Okay y'all, so we're gonna be using the palette that I show you guys in the first clip to create this look right here. And we're gonna be going to first Timothy, and it's this dark purple, really pretty shade. And the colors, y'all, is pigmented, okay? Real pigmented. Go pick yours up. Like, this is beautiful palette, you guys, and I think it retails for $15 to $20. Black owned business, y'all know I love that. And look at the colors. Like, what? I'm gonna be using this palette. This brown right here reminds me of the Juvia's Place brown, and you can't really find that brown nowhere. So like, let's get into it. So let's go, and we're gonna do this quick little eyeshadow tutorial to match my hair, but it really don't match my hair. I don't know what I was doing, but I tried. So let's continue into this look. I'm going into that first Timothy shade, and we're gonna just pack that all over. Let me blend it out a little bit. And we're just gonna pack that all over the lid. We're gonna look at that first shade, y'all. From one touch, boom, 3 touches. It's just so beautiful. And when you start really working it in, that's when you really see the pigments in this beautiful palette here. I'm really in love with this palette. So yeah, I'm going up with the bristles so it can have that flawless fanned out look. So we're going in with, ooh, I don't know how to say this name, this beautiful pink shade, which any pink shade like this will work, but I suggest you guys really try out this palette. I'm a palette fanatic, so this is just so pretty. These colors are very pigmented, especially for our skin complexion, you guys. I put some primer on my eyes and that was it. So we're just gonna go over and buff this out around it. And just like stamp that color on so we can know where we're at with this look. Just stamp that shade on. Stamp it on. This palette is beautiful, y'all. Like, the pigment is insane. 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 So after that, you're just gonna kind of sweep it and blend that out. The key to this is really blending everything together so we can have that look that we're looking for. Okay. I always feel like there's a lot of pigment, a lot of fallout when it comes to dark colors like these. I don't mind fallout, you guys, but some people don't like it. Okay, so then after that is fully incorporated, like fully incorporated, we're gonna go in with that lighter shade pink right here. this shade right here to just buff that out. And yeah. Oop, my eyes is watering now. I hope it's okay. I don't know why it's watering. But yeah, so we're gonna go into this color here that's named Cord Lore. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I know these names are in the Bible though, you guys. And I know this one is Roman. I think it's, yeah. I'm not even gonna do it. I know that's Testimony James Hebrew, you know? Yeah. So we're just gonna blend this out right here. Ooh. Went a little too far on the brows now. And we're just gonna make sure that looks exactly like the other one. I got some pink eyeshadow right there, but we will be okay. Okay. We're just gonna blend until we feel that it's enough, okay? Until it's fully incorporated. So don't forget to go check them out, you guys. This eyeshadow palette is really pretty, and I feel like they're dope. So don't forget to go check them out and tell them I sent you. Now, I don't have a Pacific discount code for this company, but y'all, these eyeshadows is given. Okay, so don't run. Don't walk. What is that on my lip? What is that? What is that? What was that on my lip? I don't know. But don't run. I mean, don't walk, run to get this, because so I didn't find any shimmers that really matched the, this look here, but you guys, I found a perfect shimmer that goes with this look. Now this is this chromed out shade right here from Juvia called Fake. Okay, and that right there is her. It's giving her. Okay, so we're gonna pop that just on top and we're gonna call that a day. Okay. Okay, so I'm popping her on and she's like a chromed out baby. Like, oh, I love her. So we're just gonna put her to imitate the cut. Oh, I forgot my glitter glue. Ah, I forgot my glitter glue. So I'm just adding a little glitter glue to make it really shimmer and pop. I feel like when I put this, it's better. So I'm gonna just put a little bit on the top here. As much as I can. And then we're gonna just kind of imitate the cut crease. Ooh, my eye burning. Every time I put these shimmers on. I don't know why, but it do. Do that happen to you guys? You're gonna just pop the purple back into the corners. And we're done. I'm gonna come back with the finishing look. I might put some diamonds. No, some pearls. Yeah. So we're gonna come back with the finishing look. I'm just putting the purple right back by the crease. Right here. And that's it. Okay. So let's see. Oh, that kind of hurts. I just love the way the tape gives it off, y'all. I don't know what it is, but it's super pretty. I love it. I'm coming back with the finishing results now, so let's get into that. Okay, you guys, so I just want to come to you with the finishing look of my eyeshadow. I was using the New Testimony eyeshadow palette by TVB Company. I hope I'm saying it right. The Virtuous Beauty. So this palette here is what I use to make this look, you guys. And go shop with them. You can shop with them. Go to the virtualbeauty.com and she's on Instagram. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. Like, it's so pigmented, you guys. So go shop up, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.